Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor art with a review of the SHUESS 8x8 wood panels. If you're an artist or DIY enthusiast looking for the perfect canvas for your outdoor projects, you've come to the right place. These SHUESS wood panels are crafted from natural pine wood, known for its durability and strength, making them ideal for outdoor use. They come in a convenient 10-pack, each panel measuring 8 inches by 8 inches with a thickness of 0.71 inches, providing a sturdy base for your artwork. The panels feature a smooth, sanded surface, ensuring easy application of paints and other mediums without wrinkling, ideal for both beginners and seasoned artists alike. Their DIY-friendly design allows for customization with various decorations like dried flowers or clay. Perfect for creating unique pieces for your outdoor space. Whether you're into acrylics, oils, or mixed media, these panels perform exceptionally well, offering versatility in art techniques from pouring to traditional painting. They're not just for art. They double as stylish decorations or functional trays, adding a touch of creativity to any outdoor setting. With SHUESS, you're getting quality and value in one package. Each panel is carefully crafted to meet the demands of outdoor conditions, ensuring longevity and resilience. Their reliability and versatility make them a favorite among artists and DIYers looking to elevate their outdoor spaces with personalized artwork. That wraps up our review of the SHUESS 8x8 wood panels. Whether you're painting landscapes, creating outdoor decor, or simply exploring your creativity, these panels offer the perfect canvas for your projects. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and to get your hands on these fantastic wood panels. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and DIY inspiration. Until next time, keep creating with Product Critique.